Hey everybody, this is Richard Noto, Florida licensed realtor, Florida licensed home inspector, and Notary Public. So right now I am over at Sycamore Resort. And this is a model home, or should I say a model condo. Okay, so that's a closet that's being used. So I'm actually starting this video where the entrance would be. Here's the laundry. So just to show you, this door would be the entrance, and you'd come into this kitchen. Gonna do a little walk back to the back of the living room area. And you can see over here, this has 2 beds. And each bed looks like a full bed or some type of double bed, or maybe it's a queen. I don't know. I'm not an expert on bed sizes. But these beds are definitely good for 2 smaller people. You know, kind of the typical size you see in hotels. So this model is actually the 2-bedroom model. There's a model that is the 3-bedroom. And there's me in the mirror. And the bathrooms are very large. There's a lot of space in here, so it's great when, I guess, if a few people were using it to get ready. A lot of floor space anyway. And this is the 2nd bedroom. So really the main difference between this 2-bed and the 3-bedroom is that the 3-bedroom is going to have it's going to have an extra bedroom with the double beds. Here's a closet. Lots of room in these bedrooms, really large. Now, if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out and contact me. I'm No Pressure Sales, and I do work for you and represent you as a home buyer. I do not work for any home builders or represent them. They always work for the builder. And what I mean by they is these salespeople, these sales teams that work at the builders. Now, when you contact me first before heading over to the builder, you won't void your free representation, okay? Now, the home builders everywhere do pay for it, but many of them have certain rules and regulations where your realtor needs to be the one to enter the office with you, or even sometimes if you email or call builders, that can void your free realtor representation. Now, one of the great things about calling me first as well is that I like to work with the sales associates that are the best at the builders, the ones that have really good knowledge of the place and also are very low pressure, nice to work with. That's super important. The other thing in the process is, your money. You always want to keep your money safe. Many times home buyers call me after the fact. They contact me when it's too late. They're in a contract and they have problems, and now they're trying to get help from me. And many times they've seen my videos, which they openly tell me. They've seen my videos and then they end up telling me, you know what, you were 100% correct. I wish I contacted you. Now I'm in this situation. So contact me first. Let's have a nice process of finding you a home, a safe process where your money, everything that you do with your money, when you put it down, everything's done correctly. And then after you're in contract, let's make sure that your home is also assembled correctly. A home that isn't assembled correctly and is built poorly, that's not something that you want. So for me, for my home buyers, those are my concerns. I want you to have a nice experience in the beginning. I want you to have the best sales associates where possible. I want you to have a nice process going into the contract. Everything is done safe. And then after that is the home building process. So there's going to be several things along the way that I'm going to do to help you in that. So, don't miss out on it. For you don't pay for the service. You're not going to miss out on any incentives or lose them because you use my service at a builder. The only thing that you will do is you'll miss out on everything that I offer you in the process, because home builders do not reduce the price of a home because you pass on using a realtor. It just doesn't work that way. And many times you end up with the best deals because I'm there with you and I'm able to ask the right questions, okay? Asking the right questions and knowing what to say and how the deals work is super important. So don't be shy. Give me a call, email, or text. Thank you.